Children, 1/3 of our population, yet all of our future. In Pakistan, millions of people have no access to any form of education. Generation after generation continues to live in ignorance. You can let them be, or with a little education and training, they can become your biggest asset. In the mid-90s, a group of concerned citizens pledged to bring about a change. A pledge that germinated into a conscious effort and gave birth to the Citizens Foundation.
We shared one thing in common, which was that we were all fed up with the state of affairs in the country. We one day decided that we will either be a part of the problem and just sit back and enjoy ourselves, or get together and do something to change the situation. We have a very simple mission to start with, which is to pick children from the streets and put them into schools. The vision is that these children should be able to compete with children of more privileged people and be very effective members of the society.
The streets of Machar Colony were the right place to start. People here live on the edge of subsistence, along a sewer where breed the mosquitoes that give the area its name.
This is one such neighborhood where you now see children from the TCF program walking around, getting ready to go to school. We chose for ourselves a difficult model, which is of making small primary schools and taking them to the heart of the neighborhood rather than having a large school for 4,000 or 5,000 children.
TCF builds schools within the community and employs an all-female staff. This way, little children can walk to school and girls are encouraged to enroll. Education thus becomes a neighborhood activity.
The program is all about children and teachers. Without the teachers, it is meaningless.
Well, I've been working with TCF for the last 2 years, and it has been a very exciting experience for me. I've never worked before, and I joined here after completing my post-graduation. And the kind of training and workshops, refresher courses which they conduct, I haven't heard about these things regarding any other institution or any other organization. This is the thing which I have found most inspiring.
From KG to Matric, TCF schools are a complete educational experience. Every TCF primary school has 6 classrooms, an administrative block, an art room, a play area, and a library. Secondary schools have more classrooms, as well as computer and science labs. Arts and crafts, sports, and occupational training are all high points of the educational program. The emphasis is not just on academics, but a well-rounded education in an environment that encourages creativity and fosters moral and spiritual development. TCF is all about giving. Children discover the joy of giving when they present to a younger child a plant that they have nurtured and looked after for a full year.
Quality education is no accident. To ensure it, TCF has a centre in Karachi where teachers and principals receive pre-service training and refresher courses.
सवाल करने हैं तो उसमें हम बच्चे को चेक करने के साथ-साथ टीचर खुद अपने आप को भी चेक करती है, अपने एबिलिटीज को, अपनी सलाहियतों को भी चेक करती है।
हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो जिन एरियाज़ में रह रहे हैं वहाँ पर पढ़े लिखे लोग नहीं हैं,
तो बच्चा इवन के बच्चे को अपने घर से भी कोई हेल्प नहीं मिल पाती है, तो बच्चा जो है वो टोटली डिपेंड करता है टीचर के ऊपर। तो जाहिर सी बात है कि अगर हमारी टीचर अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाएंगी तो हमें अच्छा रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा। हमारे हेड ऑफिस से भी सरप्राइज विजिट होते हैं और हम जाके बाकायदा देखते हैं कि हमारी टीचर्स उस ट्रेनिंग को फॉलो कर रही हैं या नहीं कर रही हैं।
देखा है आपने गुलाब के फूल को, कलर में भी डिफरेंट है लेकिन पत्तियां भी उसकी।
ये TCF के स्कूल जो हैं एक प्लानिंग के तहत चल रहे हैं। हम विदाउट टीचिंग एड्स के नहीं जाते क्लास में, हम बगैर लेसन प्लान के नहीं जाते। ये चीज़ें हमारे हैंडओवर होती हैं, हमारी डेली डायरीज होती हैं। हमने जो दिन भर काम करवाया हमारी डेली डायरी में मेंशन होता है।
The future of these children, the future, who can foretell the future? But what we like is that they must have an opportunity in the future. Just like our children who go to school and whose minds are opened up, we have to open doors in their minds as well.
When we reach, inshallah, 1,000 schools, we want to see that some of these children will be our healers, some of these children will be our teachers, some will build dams or bridges for Pakistan, some will fly our planes, and we would be able to talk about these children as we talk about our own children.